Deep within the Amazon lies a striking yet often overlooked ecosystem, the flooded forests. These captivating woodlands are unique because they thrive in water for months of the year, supporting diverse wildlife like jaguars and pink river dolphins. However, they face devastating threats from deforestation and climate change, pushing them to the brink of extinction. Conservationists are now rallying to protect this vital habitat through sustainable practices and community-led initiatives. The flooded forests hold treasures not only for biodiversity, but also for the health of our planet, reminding us of the urgent need to safeguard these magical places.